our bags and we packed our books. And now it's time to take it all with us.
Now we are young, let's just lay in the sun. Count every cloud, let's laugh out loud. 5 years is a long, long time. Long enough to build our dreams. Not long though to let it go. Now everything's just moving so fast.
Kill myself every walk away.
To leave it all behind and just walk away.
Remember the classes on a rainy day. Great, so I turn.
I remember the fire trails, laughing under the desk in the middle of June.
Memories I have.
Think this is worth the ride. Too long. It's our time to shine. As we go,
Let's say our goodbyes.
we gotta learn how to move past. We gotta learn how to move fast. 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 We gotta learn how to move fast.
We started as inquiries with a why and a how, but look at the leaders that we've all become now. From the very first unit to the final display, we've been building our minds every single day.
Thinker, risk taker, caring soul. Staying balanced principle to reach our goals. The exhibition hit and we put in work. Facing challenges where the obstacles lurk. Keep the profile strong as we head to the gate.
Now the hallways are quiet, the lockers are bare, but the spirit of the learner is still in the air. We're the class of the year, nothing more, nothing less.
Grade 6 is calling and
We can't wait.
when do I start?
Before the caps hit the sky, let me drop one last rhyme. Now I'm running the show, they told me I can pass, but now I'm someone they can't get past. Cooking up these verses, right down in my flow state. Left for a minute, came back to the noise like Drake. Hold up, what did I miss? Standing here tonight, now under the spotlight. Now I'm connected to bars like tic-tac-toe. Bet you couldn't guess the line, cause you're too slow. But this bar's better crumble and the crowd's about to fumble. Sit down, be humble.
My left stroke just went viral.
It's the time of the year, the class in rotation. I choke them with my words, call it asphyxiation. My pen and my words, they give me the ovation. I paint this gown black, pull it to the graduation.